Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power, unplug the fridge and switch the breaker off, then verify with a multimeter so you are certain. Once done, clear shelves and remove food, defrost the freezer to avoid water while you work. Make sure to have the right tools ready: a 1/4 socket, nut driver, torque wrench, and a refrigerant recovery kit because you will evacuate the system next. This step prevents accidents and speeds the repair since you'll move straight into compressor access once the cabinet is open. You must recover refrigerant first. Connect the recovery machine to the service ports and follow EPA-safe procedures so you don't vent gas. After recovery, disconnect the compressor wiring harness and remove mounting bolts. Carefully separate suction and discharge lines while supporting the compressor because it's heavy. Once free, label each hose and terminal so reassembly is foolproof. Then cap the lines with vacuum-rated caps and pull a deep vacuum to about 500 microns to remove moisture and air before brazing the new unit in place. You mount the new compressor, braze the connections while purging with dry nitrogen to prevent oxidation, and torque mounting bolts to the manufacturer's specs. Once brazed and cooled, remove caps, evacuate the system again, and weigh in the exact refrigerant charge in grams according to the service sticker. After restoring power, run a 30-minute performance check. Listen for abnormal noise, check start current, and verify evaporator and condenser temperatures. If it won't start, check the start relay and wiring first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.